Here at Jar of Spanners Management, we would like to apologise to all listeners in advance for the appalling regional accents in the following sketch.
It was the 1980s, and Britain was experiencing a Prime Minister unlike any it had had before.
My name is Margaret Thatcher. Some call me the Iron Lady, but not because I like to do the ironing.
Apart from that London, all over Britain life was being made more grim, especially up north.
Where there is hope, let there be hopelessness. Where there is joy, let there be joylessness. And let it be grim, especially up north.
Bloody hell, kid. Bloody Thatcher has made it so grim up here in the north that we working class types have to go on strike. The Falklands War and the miners' strike heralded a new era of social conflict.
Now I'm back from fighting the Argies. I got no job and precious little chance of finding one. Here, mate, get a job.
But one thing Mrs. Thatcher had not planned for was that, where there had been only a few decent ideas for feature films, now there were to be many.
You know what? Even though us miners are on strike, I reckon we should create a brass band against all the odds and win a bloody competition down in that London.
Uplifting stories of people overcoming difficulties. You know what? Even though the steel industry is in collapse, I reckon us steel workers should all become strippers and against all the odds win a bloody strippers competition down in that London. Stories about overcoming hardship. You know what, Da? Even though everyone round here's got no joy in their hearts because they're unemployed, I'm gonna be a dancer and against all odds win a bloody dancers competition down in that London. Stories about overcoming ignorance.
You know, La, even though everyone round here is a bit dumb from being unemployed, I'm going to study for a degree in English literature and against all the odds win a degree from a university down in that London.
By giving the British people something to overcome, Thatcher had fed the British film industry a diet of wonderful, heartwarming ideas for feature films.
You know what, mate? If we can think of something to overcome against all the odds, we could be in a Thatcher's Britain film with a lovely happy ending, probably down in that London. It'd be really uplifting.
Thatcher's Britain. It were right bloody uplifting. Just watch the films.